This is a junior eyeglass case that is colored in the flag of Germany: black, red, and gold. I have thought of designing the eyeglass case in this manner because I'm a college graduate who wore a black robe on October 17th, 2015 from Cebu Institute of Technology, University, whose colors are maroon and gold. Here's why: red and gold, the two colors of the German flag, omitting the color black. The black and red refers to being a Gryffindor wizard who has a reddish color on his black robe, like Harry Potter. The colors of the Gryffindor team are red and gold, like the German flag. This is a junior-sized Harry Potter eyeglass that is fake. Let's turn it to its front side and see what it looks like. That's it! Here is the junior-sized eyeglass case, once again. And this is the child-sized eyeglass that you can fit inside it.